Work today is broken due to a lot of unwanted and scattered tasks. If I said that you can create these types of presentation, we will use the ChatGPT for copy the current our logo file, paste it in our ChatGPT, and then type our prompt. We will type 2 to 3 lines of our prompt in which we will guide ChatGPT that generate a logo presentation for us in clean and professional way. After that, we will click on enter or click on the arrow button. It will start analyzing our prompt and will start generating our image after some adding details, creating first draft, adding some samples, and adding some extra detail. It will give us a clean image in JPEG form. We can download it and then we can see it in our device storage. This is a perfect way of generating our logo presentation without any hurdle. It is totally free. We can do it with ChatGPT free version. It is not restricted. It's not restricted that we can only do it in ChatGPT premium version. It's also available on free version because image generation is free forever in ChatGPT. So you can generate a lot of presentation. Go here and then enjoy. But don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you like this video, click on subscribe button and press bell icon thoroughly.